Hey guys, what's up? It's Jake, and I'm only gonna say this once because I'm extremely kind of frustrated, not with you guys who are listening, but just with the community. I mean, I'm gonna be kind of vulgar in this, so if you don't want to hear it, just look away. You guys are fucking ruining the economy, okay? Like Jesus Christ, when I say this to staff and when I say this to Rova, I'm saying this with 100% guarantee. Economy reset, take anything that can be used or potentially duped out of the system right now. Take it out of shops, take it out of donor, take it out of vote. Don't get it here. And if you say, oh, we're not going to do that, it would screw over tons of people, well, then you're going to have a corrupt, unbalanced economy. Dicing's been removed, which was a plus. And then this shit comes along, totally ruins the whole point of getting rid of dicing. This is way worse than dicing. Okay, I'm not saying turn back in dicing, but all this crap is 110% worse than anything you could ever have imagined. Take my advice, heed my warning when I say ... drops on, ... drops off. You know what, even modify it to where if drops are off, not even the player can see it. Do that. Please, do that. But as of right now, do an economy reset. People might be pissed, oh, fuck you, I'm quitting, blah, blah, blah. Good, that's great, they can quit. Good for them. But anyone who likes the server and cares about it isn't going to leave. That's the only people we need. And that's the people who are on the forums, is the people we need. I mean, like, I'm not saying we need other people who aren't active on the forums, like donators, to keep the server alive. Yes, but chances are they're the ones fucking doing this. You never know. You really don't know. And there's been a couple people who have been on my mind, so check out the report stuff. And Jaffe, thanks Jaffe, you're helping out like 110%. And Lime, you're helping out too. But do it now or else you will be sorry, and you do not want... Okay, let's just say you let this slip. Okay, say we don't get an economy reset. You're going to have shit like this making an unbalanced economy. Everyone's going to have a fucking AGS. Everyone's going to have bandos. Everyone's going to have party hats. You don't... Do an economy reset, and the people who care about the server will thank you, and people might be pissed, but in the long run it's better. That's all I'm saying. When you do it, don't look back and be like, oh man, I never should have done that. I'm not using that voice to like mock you. I don't know what you sound like. Well, I do know what you sound like. I can't remember. But don't take that harshly. But just do it and don't look back. I'm saying that with 100% guarantee, not to be rude or anything. Just fucking do it. My bad. Wow, that was weird. Okay, I haven't had anything to drink lately. Just do it. That's all I'm saying. Just do it. Everyone will thank you for it. Alright, guys.